The magical small tools that every home needs have arrived. The 10th place, if you have a kitchen at home, this little thing is absolutely indispensable. Use it to pour it into the bottle, and the liquid and particles will not be scattered everywhere. The 9th place. No wonder the steamed buns made by my mother are so delicious. It turns out that he has been using this kind of yeast cup. With it, you don't have to worry about the bad amount of yeast. The 8th place. Don't pick the thread with chopsticks when making dumplings. Quickly try this rack line. The rack line is even, smooth, and non-stick. The 7th place. You won't believe it, but there is such a knife holder that can put a cutting board, usually all kinds of chopsticks, spoons, knives, and scissors can be placed, and the appearance is also very good. The 6th place. No wonder my wife threw away all the cupboards at home. It turned out that he secretly used this dish storage box. It is dust-proof and mouse-proof, and the bottom is dry. The 5th place. No wonder other people's kitchens can't find condiment bottles. It turns out that this rotating condiment plate is used. It has a large capacity and can put all kinds of condiment bottles. The rotating design is very convenient to take condiments and clean the countertop. The 4th place. With this cover, the dishes can be stacked together. It can prevent flies and mosquitoes and does not take up space. It can also be placed in the refrigerator to avoid odors. It has handles, and each has prominent edges. It is convenient to hold one thing for multiple purposes, which is convenient. The 3rd place. I used to think that it would be convenient to hang the seasoning box on the wall. Don't you think this is here? The light and luxurious style does not need to be punched, and all kinds of seasonings at home can be placed separately. The 2nd place. I used to cook and put the spatula directly on the countertop, which is very unhygienic. Now I know that everyone else uses this kind of pot when cooking during maternity leave. I can put the shovel and chopsticks on it, and there will be no oil spilled on the stove. Now smart women are choosing it. One time of washing liquid can be used to clean the pan for a long time. The brush plate is not dirty, the hand does not hurt the coating, and there is no scratch. Also convenient, comes with water tray wall hanging. Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Best Buy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.